In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause your Shopify subscription. Whether you need a break from your online business or simply want to take some time to reassess your e-commerce strategy, Shopify offers an option to pause your subscription temporarily. This process enables you to take a step back without fully committing to closing your store. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring you know exactly what to do. Firstly, navigate to the Shopify website. It's important to start by logging out if you're currently logged in. This ensures that we start the process from a common starting point, making it easier for you to follow along. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, you'll find the login button usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. Logging into your account is the first step in managing your subscription settings. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to enter the email associated with your Shopify account. This is how Shopify identifies your specific account among the many others. Next, you'll be asked to enter your password. Take a moment to ensure you're entering the correct password associated with your Shopify account. If you've forgotten it, don't worry. Shopify provides options to reset it. Once your password is entered, click on the Login button to access your account dashboard. Upon logging in, you'll be taken to the My Store homepage. This is your Shopify dashboard where you can manage various aspects of your online store. From here, you'll need to navigate to the account settings to access your subscription details. To find your account settings, look for the Settings button. It's usually located at the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Clicking on Settings will take you to another set of options related to your store's operation. Within the Settings menu, locate and select the Plan option. This is where you can view and manage your current Shopify plan. It's essential to understand which plan you're on, as it will affect your subscription options and billing. In the plan section, you'll find the option to cancel trial. It's important to note that pausing your subscription differs slightly from cancelling it. The cancel trial option is geared towards users who are still within their Shopify trial period and are considering pausing their shop. Clicking this will lead you to where you can initiate the pause process. Let's pause here for a moment and consider the implications of pausing your subscription. When you pause your Shopify store, your storefront will go offline, but you will still have access to your admin panel to a limited extent. This allows you to make changes to your store without it being visible to the public. It's a useful option if you need to revamp your store, manage inventory, or simply take a break without fully disconnecting from your e-commerce aspirations. Choosing to pause your subscription is a significant decision, but Shopify's flexibility regarding subscription management makes it less daunting. You can unpause your store at any time and resume your business activities right where you left off. This flexibility is a part of what makes Shopify a preferred platform for many entrepreneurs. Before you commit to pausing your subscription, ensure you understand any billing changes that may occur. Shopify provides detailed information on how pausing your subscription affects your billing cycle. So take the time to review this information carefully. In summary, pausing your Shopify subscription is a straightforward process. By following the steps we've outlined today, you can take the time you need away from your store without permanently closing your business. Whether it's for reevaluation, revamping, or a well-deserved break, the option to pause gives you the flexibility to manage your online business on your terms. Remember, the e-commerce journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Taking a pause doesn't signify the end, but rather a strategic pit stop in your long-term journey. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Here's to your success, both online and off, as you navigate the exciting world of e-commerce with Shopify.